out everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from polynomials of 10th class. The question is, if the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to ax cube plus 3bx square plus 3cx plus d are in AP, prove that 2b cube minus 3abc plus b square d equals to 0. So let us write the polynomial f of x equals to ax cube plus 3bx square plus 3cx plus d. Okay, so let I am taking here that alpha, beta, gamma are okay. Alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros which are in AP, arithmetic progression. AP stands for arithmetic progression, right? So what we can write from this arithmetic progression? General form, if you take a1 minus d1 comma a1 plus d1, in this way they will be. So this will be alpha, this is beta, this is gamma. Okay, so we have some formulas for the relations for the zeros and the coefficients. So if you take alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus 3b by a from the polynomial. But what is alpha? A1 minus d1 plus beta is a1 plus gamma is a1 plus d1, which is equals to minus 3b by a. Minus d1 plus d1 cancel. Left here a31, sorry 3a1 equals to minus 3b by a. 3 cancel. Left a1 equals to minus b by a. Next coming to find d1 value. Okay, and one more formula we have, that is alpha beta gamma is equals to minus d by a. Okay, so here alpha is nothing but a1 minus d1. What is beta? A1 into a1 plus d1 is equals to minus d by a. Now multiply a1 square minus a1 d1 into a1 plus d1 is equals to minus d by a. Now multiply again a1 cube plus a1 square d1 minus a1 square d1 minus a1 d1 square equals to minus d by a. A1 is nothing but minus b by a whole cube. These two get cancelled. Minus of minus b by a into d1 square equals to minus d by a. Minus b cube by a cube minus b by a d1 square equals to minus d by a. So minus b by a d1 square is equals to minus d by a plus b cube by a cube. Okay, so minus b by a d1 square is equals to a cube LCM minus a square d plus b cube. So next what? D1 square is equals to minus a square d plus b cube by a cube into minus a by b. A in a cube, a square times d1 square equals to minus a square d plus b cube by a square b. So this is d1 square. Now we have one more formula, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equals to 3c by a. So alpha, beta, gamma are the values. These are the values. Substitute them here. A1 minus D1 into A1 into A1 plus D1 plus A1 minus D1 into A1 plus D1 is equals to 3C by A. Now you multiply this all. A1 square minus A1 D1 plus A1 square plus A1 D1 plus a1 square minus d1 square equals to 3c by a. So minus a1 d1 plus a1 d1 cancel. Here how many a1s are there? 3. So 3a1 square minus d1 square equals to 3c by a. What is a? A1 minus b by a whole square minus d1 is equals to 3c by a. So here what you will get? 3b square by a square minus d1 square is equals to 3c by a. We know here d1 square value, no? So substitute that. which implies 3b square by a square minus of minus into minus what, plus a square d by a square b minus b cube by a square b is equals to 3c by a. Okay, which is equals to a square cancel. In this b square, b cancel. So 3b square plus a square minus b square by a square plus d by b equals to 3c by a, which implies here a square b take LCM. So here what you will have, 3b cube minus b cube plus a square d equals to 3c by a, which implies 3b square minus b square is 2b cube plus a square d is equals to 3a square bc by a. A in a square a times, which implies 2b cube minus 3a bc plus a square d is equals to 0. Right? Hence, proved. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.